This Elite Gourmet ceramic-coated electric skillet is a small kitchen appliance designed for cooking a wide range of meals in a compact, versatile, and efficient manner. Featuring a unique combination of non-stick ceramic coating and a rapid, even heating element, this electric skillet offers a healthier way to cook and is suitable for households of all sizes. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this skillet promises a seamless experience, making meal prep faster and easier. With its smart design, precise temperature control, and convenient features, let's take a closer look at what makes this product a must-have. A kitchen essential for quick and healthy cooking. The Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet is crafted for those who love the convenience of quick and healthy meals without needing multiple pots and pans. The ceramic coating is PTFE and PFOA-free, ensuring a non-stick cooking surface that doesn't release harmful chemicals. This means you can cook with less oil, making meals healthier and clean up even easier. Key features of the Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet. 1. High-quality ceramic non-stick coating. The ceramic coating is not only non-stick, but also scratch-resistant, which means you can use it over and over without worrying about wear and tear. The non-stick surface allows food to slide off effortlessly, making it easy to serve and clean up afterward. Unlike traditional non-stick coatings, ceramic is a healthier option, free from potentially harmful substances like PTFE and PFOA. 2. Efficient, rapid heating. Equipped with a 1200 watts embedded heating element, the skillet heats up evenly and quickly, minimizing cold spots and ensuring your food is cooked thoroughly. The temperature control dial offers a range of 250 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precision over your cooking. Whether you're making fluffy pancakes for breakfast or stir-frying veggies for dinner, you can achieve consistent results every time. 3. Generous size and versatile cooking capacity. Measuring, this electric skillet provides ample cooking space, making it perfect for family-sized portions. You can cook up to 6 servings at once, which is ideal for larger households or when hosting friends. The skillet's high walls prevent splatter and contain moisture, keeping your kitchen mess-free and your food flavorful. The Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet is designed to be dishwasher-safe, which is a massive time saver. You simply need to remove the temperature control probe, and the skillet becomes fully immersible for a deep clean in your sink or dishwasher. The cast aluminum body resists rust and warping, enhancing the skillet's durability and ensuring it remains in top shape even after frequent use. Imagine serving a hot, delicious meal straight from this sleek electric skillet without worrying about cleanup afterward. The Elite Gourmet Skillet truly simplifies cooking. Why the Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet stands out. What sets this electric skillet apart is the thoughtful design that combines functionality with user-friendliness. The cool touch handles allow you to maneuver the skillet safely, and the glass lid lets you monitor cooking without lifting it. This is especially useful when cooking delicate dishes that require steady heat and moisture retention. Additionally, the vented glass lid prevents condensation from dripping back onto your food, which helps lock in flavors and aromas. Perfect for every meal and occasion. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast, preparing a tasty lunch, or hosting a family dinner, the Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet is a versatile companion. Here are just a few ideas for meals you can prepare with ease. Breakfast: pancakes, scrambled eggs, and breakfast sausages. Lunch: grilled cheese sandwiches, quesadillas, and veggie stir-fries. Dinner: seared meats, one-pan pasta dishes, and sautéed vegetables. Dessert: fruit compotes or crispy fried treats like churros. The Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet enables you to cook your favorite meals with minimal hassle, making it a great investment for both amateur and experienced cooks. Pros and cons. Pros: healthy ceramic coating, non-stick, PTFE and PFOA-free surface for healthier cooking. Large cooking area, can serve up to 6 people at once. Temperature control, precise range from 250 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe, removable control probe for full immersion. Cool touch handles, safe and convenient handling. Cons: requires careful maintenance. Although dishwasher safe, hand washing with mild detergent is recommended for longevity. Limited portability. The skillet is slightly bulkier than smaller travel-sized electric skillets. Final verdict: a versatile and dependable addition to any kitchen. The Elite Gourmet EG2212 ceramic-coated electric skillet delivers quality and convenience in a single, easy-to-use appliance. Ideal for those who appreciate healthy cooking and easy cleanup, this skillet is designed to make mealtimes stress-free. With features like rapid heating, a spacious cooking surface, and durable construction, it's a product that adds real value to your kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly electric skillet, the Elite Gourmet EG22112 should be on your list. It's an investment that pays off with every meal, offering a convenient and efficient cooking experience that's healthier, faster, and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.